Hi, I'm TJ Walker, and welcome to the new BS Busters. I am sick and tired of seeing BS coming from every sector of society. For decades, I've trained top executives, CEOs, political leaders, authorities on how to communicate more effectively. I know what it takes to communicate well. I also know what it takes to communicate poorly. This channel is going to delve every single day into examples from the world of people communicating poorly and those who communicate well too. So join me. Let's learn from other people's mistakes. Let's all learn how to communicate with more authenticity, with more honesty. I like to look at things the same way Aristotle did. When he looked at people's communication, he said it came down to really three things. The first is, who is their character? What's their reputation? The second, what's the logic? What are the facts, the arguments they're making? And the third, what sort of emotional connection are they generating? So I'll be looking at modern day politicians, CEOs, pop culture figures, podcasters, influencers through that lens. So please join me. Together we can have some fun and learn how to be better communicators.